Gospel Day on October the 26th celebrates the arrival of Christianity in the Cook Islands in 1821. Each year, the 6 Cook Islands Christian churches on Rarotonga come together to perform Nuku, religious dramas. In 2003, Arorangi Nuku was about evil in today's world, the battle between God and the devil, good and evil. The drama showed the devil encouraging alcohol and drug abuse, domestic violence, illnesses such as AIDS, SARS and cancer. Wars of words turned into the real thing in the Middle East, with the devil egging on both sides. The horror of the September 11th terrorist attacks in New York in 2001 was reenacted with a model aeroplane on a wire, fireworks, smoke and people jumping out of the mock buildings. And Puaikura's own fire brigade were there to put out the flames. And at the end, God was there to remind everyone that people do have a choice between good and evil.